buntag. Kami diri karon sa Oslob. Mulanggoy kami uban sa mga butanding. Ano yung akong second time pero first time nila. Excited na kami. Unta makakuha ko discount, ang local discount. Kaya sa niya ganito kakuha ako pero tanaw na to. Buntag. Okay. Salamat. Success. Nakuha kong discount diri. So, taron. Maglangway na kami. Bye. Kung nakabayad na kami, asa may mga to?
Ticket.
Ticket sa? Number 5. Sige. Experience.
So good. So amazing.
Was it to live up to your expectations? Yeah. Something I would do. We're gonna go get some food. And the sharks were massive, giant.
Absolutely incredible.
Yep. So, let's go. And this is why Filipinos think that Americans only eat bread. Second meal in a row here at the bakery. So
It's just too good.
it's been confirmed. Americans only eat bread.
Yeah. Getting away.
More white people at the bakery. Confirmed. Ako ya di ko mabusog sa pan, dapat may kanon. Alright, she's a true Filipina.
Oh yeah.
Eating rice for breakfast.
Trying.
Ayos. Tara sa tekaron. Asa tekaron?
Asa ka? Sa Tangibo.
Falls.
Gilid Waterfalls.
Oh.
We have trekking and adventure
Trekking.
inside. We have 0 to level 5 at Gilid Waterfalls.
Ayos.
Trek where it takes 1.5 hours.
1.5 hours?
Total of up and down.
Okay, ayos. So mabasa ang akong camera, so ibilin ako ang camera diri. Manila. Silang magbantay.
Ay! Dili na waterproof?
Dili.
Oh, ibilin lang sir.
Ay, bilin.
Sir lang na to.
Sige.
Picture lang, mister.
So,
Kasi kung wala
magbalhin
na-
kami usab sa GoPro. Ayos, nagsuri-suri kami diri sa Kinatilan. Ambot kun asa mi karon. Pero nagsuri kami, nagabot kami sa usa ka gamay na village, gamay na town. What's on your shirt?
Poop.
poop. She had an accident.
I did.
She's not used to Filipino food. Chokrato, huh? They're looking for some balut. They haven't tried it yet, so. You excited?
Yeah, actually.
Yeah? They want some duck fetus. Yeah. Hello. Hoy. Wala kami nakikita og hello. Wala kami nakikita og balut diri. Unya daw sa gabi so. Og wala pod sila mangga. Sayang. So magsorry pa kami. Wala kami atuan karon. Sorry. Yes. Smile, ha? Ayos. Counta? Upat. Sige. What's this game called?
Vol game.
Vol game?
Yeah.
That's what it's called?
Ball game.
Big money. Throw it in.
Wala.
Who's going for it? I'll throw it. No, you got it. Go.
Yeah, Jack.
Party time. Dapat dungan.
Try that again.
Dapat dungan.
Okay, that one.
Knockout.
Oh, yeah. You want?
Last jack. 10.
Ayos.
Really go?
Kinsa nagdaog?
Sila.
Pataas sa kamot.
Wala.
Alright, tell us what just happened.
I put 20 on the table and now I have 100.
Yeah, let's go. Too easy.
Thanks on me.
Let's go back. Let's go to Vegas. Alright. So, first time niya nakakaon og Adidas. Excited?
I'm so excited.
Alright, go ahead and give it a
How
bite.
do I like go about? I just like.
I think you just
Is
eat
there,
the
like,
skin.
any-
Don't like bite the bone. Just go
Okay.
for the skin.
It's so hard.
Yee, kalami. How was it?
It's good.
Yeah?
Yeah, the barbecue sauce is good.
Skin, right?
It's like kind of chewy.
Yeah. She was gonna try balut for the first time, but maybe not tonight. Our stomachs aren't settling too well. Sige, so siguro mauna karon kay kapoy kayo mag-sorry. Mag-countsak kami, unya, tulog na. So, maulang na ang vlog karon. Salamat sa pagtanaw o amping kamutanan.